The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress. Psalm 47 verse 11.
Hello family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovista channel. Trust that you're doing well and you're taking very good care of yourself. Today on the menu, we'll be making some salted pig feet. This is known in Tree as PRAKONTWR3, and I know it has a lot of different names as well. Please comment down below how you call these, okay? These add lots and lots of flavors to your soups especially, and to your stews as well. Please stay tuned while we go through this together because you're definitely going to enjoy this. Get the real taste just like back home. These are the following ingredients that you will need. Your pig feet. Pick them right in the supermarket. Comes really very affordable. You need your sea salt. Note sea salt. And here I have some grains of selim, cloves, garlic. I have bay leaves here. I have food coloring, red food coloring, as I'll be showing you two ways you can make your salted pig feet or Nane or PRAKONTWR3, okay? So all that you have to do is first give it a good wash because it's kind of not treated well, so you really have to treat it very well and nice, okay? So that you have to concentrate most is in between the foot. It is really very important that you wash it very well. Wash it until everything is so clean. Finally, here I'm going to take out all the excess water that formed while I was curing it, and look at that. We tapped this meat very dry, but it still had some water in it. So I take that off and I am ready to use my meat right away. So after day 3, I turned to wash the first method because it kind of looked a little bit dead. I wanted to revive that pink color, so I made this brine solution and I added a little bit of ice. I kind of want to, wash away the spice that has been attached to the meat. Okay, it's going to wash away very nicely and it's going to revive the meat to absolutely look so beautiful. Look fresh and brand new again. So this is the first method. Let's go ahead and find out how the second one came out. The lady in red absolutely looks so pretty, and the spices worked so well. Please do well to follow this recipe. Take your salted pig feet to the next level. Absolutely, this was such a huge success, both of them. To follow this simple recipe and you are going to definitely love your salted pig feet even more. And not forgetting our Tolobeef, a recipe for that as well, so please be sure to check it out. I'll link it right here on top. And after that, I just pack it off and store it up in my fridge, and I'll be enjoying my salted pig feet in my stews and soup. So that is it for you, family. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Sylvia from Lovey Starch. My main goal here is to gear you up into making your own meals right at the comfort of your homes. And I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please do well to subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much for watching once again, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video. Bye.